The data in your job tracker can be exported for a number of reasons. If you want to bring it into a Google Sheet, or you want to move it over, or the Teal job tracker is not working for you, or you want to do an export out to show your job searching activity. Sometimes like filing for unemployment or something like that might be a good reason. So let me show you the two ways you can do that. So in your table view of your job tracker, you can go to Menu and do Export Report. The report is going to be activity based. So let me go ahead and export that. I'm going to save it as a CSV, and I'm going to go ahead and open that. And you're going to see it open up in, I think, Mac numbers, but you can open it in anything that supports a CSV. And so here we are in Mac numbers, or Apple numbers. And you can see that it's got the company name, the date, the role, the position, and the event. So you'll notice that sometimes the same job is on here multiple times, right? Microsoft from applying, Microsoft bookmarked. And what it's doing is it's showing an activity log. So think of this as time series data, and it's storing all the changes on a particular job. So if you wanted to do some kind of analytics or reporting, this is often a good way to be able to do that. And so that's the events export, or so that's the report. Now, if you export your data, that's going to be a replica of the view in your job tracker. So let's go ahead and open that, and you'll see how that looks. And that's going to mimic the job tracker for you. It's going to show the dates, the minimum maximum salary, and it's going to show their current status. It's not going to show all the changes over time. And so if you wanted to run some level of reporting on that, you could do that as well. That's how you would export that from your job tracker. And then if you wanted to export your archived jobs, you go over to Archived Jobs, and then from here, you would export or download your data, and that will show what those look like. We don't have them all merged into one right now. It's something we're working on. It's something people have asked for. So we intend to get those all together and give you a little bit more exporting functionality. But for anything you want to export out now, those are the ways that you could do that.